Today's question comes from our YouTube audience, but it's also one which we are often asked by visitors to our wonderful house. The latest question in our series is, how big were the families who lived in this huge house?
The sheer scale of Wentworth Woodhouse is staggering, and there are a range of famous names who've called this place a family home. From the Earls of Strafford to the Marquises of Rockingham and the Earls Fitzwilliam, generations of family members have lived here. The actual size of the families themselves was often quite small. In some cases, such as the second Marquis of Rockingham, the marriage, although a very happy one, didn't produce any children. The 8th Earl Fitzwilliam had only one daughter, and the marriages of the 9th and 10th Earls also produced no children. However, the 5th Earl Fitzwilliam had 12 children, and his son, William, who became the 6th Earl Fitzwilliam in 1857, holds the record of having the largest family with a total of 14 children. This included 8 sons, all of whom were called William. But by far the most numerous occupants of Wentworth Woodhouse were the staff required to run the huge house, its gardens, and the stables. This group regularly numbered over 100 people, and when the family was entertaining, that number would increase dramatically. The largest number of bedrooms in the house were used by staff members. Many of these rooms are currently in a very decayed state, having been unused for decades.
So there you have it. Wentworth Woodhouse is a huge and beautiful place, which was home to a lot of people, but not all of them were family members. Join us next time to find out more about this amazing house. We release new videos on our YouTube channel every week, so why not hit the subscribe button and make sure that you don't miss a new one.